Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix timer not working on ladder. So if the timer isn't working on the app, like the press timer not starting, freezing or not showing, it's usually a permissions issue, app glitch, or setting conflict. So actually guys, first you will need to manually start the timer. So sometimes it doesn't auto start, so after finishing the set, tap the timer icon manually, and if it works manually, the issue is with auto start behavior, not the timer itself. And also guys, you will need to enable the notifications, and that's very important. So let realize on notifications for timers. So you only just go with your device settings or your iPhone settings, and yeah, you will need to scroll all the way down until you can see the apps option right here. Tap on the apps, look for the ladder app. Okay, so let's scroll to it. So that's it. Go ahead and tap it, and now go with the notifications right here, and then go with allow notifications. Okay, so that will turn on the notifications and sounds and even the banners, and if notifications are off, timers may not trigger or repair. Okay, also guys, you all need to check the focus and the do not disturb mode. So you will need to go back here and then just look for focus using the search bar. Okay, and then go with the first option here and do not disturb option, the first one, and then turn it off or remove the apps and the people right here, especially ladder apps. We are talking about ladder, and yeah, go and turn off the schedule. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.